Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. Today I'll be talking to you about how you can communicate your value to an employer, how you can communicate your value to an organization, how you can communicate your value even online. When you ask for a job, or when you ask for an opportunity, or when you apply for a job, the most important thing that the company or the organization, the recruiter, whoever that you want to do business with is looking for is the amount of value that you bring to the table. And if you're not able to communicate that value, then you don't get the required reward in terms of probably your payment or probably your salary. So it's very important for you to learn how to communicate your value. What you can do is first you have to sit down and list all of the required skill sets that you have, all of the required experiences that you have, all of your achievements, all of your awards. Do you have a degree? Do you have 2 degrees? Have you won an award or awards? Have you been able to help people to achieve their goals? Have you started a foundation? What have you done that is very, 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 very important and intentional to help you to increase your value? You have to document it. Yes, whatever is not written down might be forgotten. You have to sit down and write it. The next thing is that you have to associate it with statistics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use numbers to communicate the value you bring to the table. How many people have you trained over the course of the years? How much have you helped an organization to increase their revenue? Have you helped the organization you're currently working to reduce their costs? Have you been able to come up with a COVID-19 strategy, right, for people to work smarter and also to work better in your organization? So it's important for you to communicate your value as effectively as possible. Put it in numbers, right? Talk about it when you go to interviews. Put it on your CV, put it on your LinkedIn, insert it in your cover letter, and go out there and increase your brand. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. But before then, make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.